Primarily, people have accessed the site through some sort of adversity in their lives, really. I usually say to people we're a bit of an outdoor community centre, really.
The food that we've grown that is surplus, our idea was that we would try our best to give it away to people who would appreciate the vegetables and fruit, would really love to cook and eat it.
I always garden in a wildlife-friendly way, encourage as much of the wildlife to come into your garden as possible and let it all mingle and grow together.
I've been here since the start, since we started it. I feel very invested in the project. It's exactly what I've wanted to be happening around here, and now it finally is, which is great.
Not everything goes to plan, but we find a way of seeing the positives in that. So last year I just planted in the beds and we grew lots and lots of food. So this year I'm not as daunted and I keep experimenting to see what will work well with it. Working with people can be difficult, but finding their strengths and what they love to do, what they feel valued doing, and bringing that out in them in the garden is a whole other job in itself. In my head I always think if it's not enjoyable, it's not sustainable.
For us, what's really valuable is that social prescribing, green prescribing. Actually 6 weeks in a garden space may just shift your thinking. You might find somebody that really connects with, you understand why I'm anxious, you understand that this isn't always easy, but you make it possible.
I wanted to create a space for the community to come together and grow some food for themselves. We've got land here, why shouldn't we grow around us and hopefully develop a bit of community while we're at it.
I love coming here. I may be having a bad day and think, oh, really don't want to get up today. I then know I have to come here because it needs me to come and do something, and it's a different need. And you get to meet lots of different people. Couldn't imagine not coming here.